Peace, y'all. That last video cut off for storage reasons. But as far as with narcissism, man, I started to think, and another thing made me remind me, because I had to clear storage and stuff. Reminded me is that, bro, I freaking hate. I had yelled at myself because I said, man, I'm freaking tired of supporting people that don't support me, nigga. The frick, man. I'm sitting there showing this. I mean, this sister I met in Vegas, showing her love and stuff like that. First of all, there was a bunch of narcs in there, but they would travel to there because it was supposed to be a part of something. But it was just like F them, man. F that, nigga. Cause I'm like, yo, what the frick? This fake ass female, she doing this fake ass stuff, trying to act like she's supportive, and I can see through it, but that nigga was just trying to be kind because I wanted to see people grow. And it was like, I always knew, but I still was going through it. I'm like, whatever. I'm like, an egotistical female like that, like, he probably think every nigga trying to get with her and stuff. Cause I'm like, bitch, I'm not negative. Whatever. And this other things, like, too, like, people trying to tell you, like, another person trying to tell me, like, oh, I'm your sister. I'll be your sister. Bitch, I ain't never heard a word from your ass, bitch. The frick you talking about, you and my sister. People be saying stuff just to say it. You ain't got my bees, nigga. You're checking up on me because a nigga really went through life. Nigga really had experiences. And nigga really needed help. Nigga really needed guidance. You hear me? But ain't nobody was there. Nigga, you wasn't there. So frick all that. Tired of all these phony ass people. People want to sit there and fake smile and all this fake smiling and whatnot. And people and you can see it. A narcissist can't even hold their anger together. Cause this bitch is smoking, and she's like, I thought she was high or something. So she like, oh, cause it was around people that was high, and I think she forgot something. I'm like, oh, you was smoking or something. She's like, it's CBD. Actually, I'm like, man, shut up. Narcissistic motherfucking female. Want to give me her husband's contact. I asked for the nigga. I gave her my number, told her to give it to him. She ain't give that bitch to him. So I was trying to ask her about it. And I was like, this bitch don't want me to talk to her husband. Because the brother actually shared something to me real personal. And last time I saw him, I didn't know it was going to be the last time I ever saw him. So I'm like, because the real talk, what the brother did say is, when he was around meeting each other, he said, we was all telling her what we're entrepreneurs or what type of business we're in and whatnot. He's like, I will be successful. I'm not successful, and I will be successful one day. That's exactly how he started out to say. I said, hey, nigga, you are going to be successful. What the frick you are? You say you are. And I said it like I was cussing this nigga out, bro, because that really pissed me off. And there's another girl, she over there laughed or whatnot, like, she laughed. She had laughed because I was like, and there was other people too that stopped him too, but his wife didn't stop him. His wife didn't stop him from saying that. I'm like, what the freak? You supposed to check that nigga. So obviously she must be putting in some narcissistic rhetoric into saying that he's not successful because she is. She didn't say a sad thing. I'm like, what the frick is that all about? Nigga. I'm a frick, man. I'm a frick, nigga. All that whole ass stuff, man. I'm sick of that. I'm sick of that, man. Let's go. I'm just saying, let's go, because I'm going to get the frick up out of state. And they go trying to get some plates, but then the plates is to like, the scheduled appointments 4 months out. I'm just tired of being here. Frick that. I'm not gonna be stuck here. I'm gonna figure something out. I know that. Shit. But and just a bunch of finicky people with their finicky ass attitudes sitting, and then too, he was trying to give health advice. And it's fictitious. I was telling them stuff that, hey, I was just letting them know that it was hybrid. And they're like, oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's helping people, it's healing, it's helping people. So just being rude, I'm like, I just ignored that bitch. I'm getting sick of these people. People, these dead ass people that got issues or whatnot. And you know what? In that group, I feel like I was the only one who noticed things. Noticed that people wasn't being indirect, wasn't saying things, or wasn't expressing things, or wasn't going out it was going. And then one other thing too, I do remember when I was in there, I had said I wasn't gonna eat because I realized really I was the healthy one and not a lot of healthy options there when I went there, and I just didn't want to waste my money on something, because I was just getting salads really. Nigga paying for Vegas prices for salads. I was just like, and she was like, and I said, I'm all right. She's like, yeah, he all right. And like, it was almost like good, like almost like I've been bothersome. I'm like, man, F that bitch. Oh, frick. Whatever, nigga. What the frick ever. But, shoot. As far as with the spiritual in-depthness, bro, they're not in depth. I might make that for another video. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Consultations, DM us on Instagram, Healing Through Inspiration. Instagram, email us, all the stuff in the description box, apparel. Yeah, go check out the description box. You guys want to make a change in your life. Peace, love, and light.